And luckily for us, Johnny's still asleep because it's 7 a.m. He thinks we start at 8. Hey, Johnny, wake up!
Relax, buddy. All right, I'm Jesse. I'm your wake-up call, and you got to get up. These guys hired me, and take a shower because your shop is.
I thought we were starting at 8.
No, we gotta go. The next thing's already waiting outside.
Can I brush my teeth?
Nope. Let's go.
Let's go, Daddy.
Can you get out of my house?
All right, we have a man named Burt whose description says he will drive anyone and anything as long as he gets paid.
Nice to meet you.